Hello guys, how are you? I've got a banger news for you today, and I usually make videos in Urdu/Hindi, but today's news is especially for European customers, so I thought that English will be a preferred language for this video. I also have this video available in Urdu or Hindi. If you want to watch it, then I'll link it in the description box below. And if you don't know about me, I'm a Pakistani tech YouTuber and I'm a tech head. So if you are watching this video, it means that you are too. And so I think it will be a very good opportunity for me, because if I get a very good response, or even just a good response on this video, I will try to make more videos in English. So guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. So you know about all the Exynos and the Snapdragon drama that's been going on for almost a decade now. At first, Exynos used to be on par, and at times it was superior to Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, but then it fell down exponentially, and I don't know what was the reason, but Samsung has finally acknowledged it, and we have confirmed news coming straight from the CEO of Qualcomm, Cristiano Amon. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. He gave an interview, and in that interview he said that we provided 75% of the Snapdragon chipsets for S22 series, which is incredible because in Pakistan and in India we used to get Exynos chipsets which were inferior, and this time we got Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with the S22 series. But according to Amon, going forward, we should expect more than 75%. It's almost 100%. It means that we will get Snapdragon chipsets from now on going forward up until 2030, which also includes all the Snapdragon modems and also the 6G modem, which will be available by then. So it is a very good news for European customers, especially because they were getting inferior performing Exynos chipsets in their Samsung devices. But now they will also get the taste of Snapdragon chipsets in their Samsung devices, and if you're a Samsung fan, you will be very happy. But what about Exynos? Will it be the end of Exynos? Well, I'm happy to report that this is not going to be the end of Exynos, because Samsung officially said that they are working on an Exynos Dream chipset, which will be especially designed for Galaxy S devices, and it will not be ready up until 2025, so you'll have to wait. And Samsung is also waiting so that it can catch up to the performance and the efficiency of Snapdragon chipsets, and if it does that, then we will see Exynos in 2025. So guys, how did you like this video, and what about the news? If you have any questions, you can hit the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Up until then, peace out.